Hello, my people. How are they? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for pidgin. If na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So for our last gist, I tell on how Baba God take pursue Adam and Eve comot for the Garden of Eden. This na after they don disobey the instruction wey He give them, make them no touch the fruits wey dey for the middle of the garden. So today gist na about Cain and Abel, the first children wey Adam and Eve get after they don comot from the garden. And our today gist dey cover Genesis chapter 4 from verse 1 to 26 wey be the end. So as I go always recommend, I go say make you go check make Bible, make you see wetin Genesis chapter 4 from verse 1 to 26 talk about. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So after they don chop the fruit for inside the garden wey Baba God say make dem no chop, wey Baba God come pursue dem comot for the Garden of Eden. Na so dem come dey outside just dey do their thing. So one day Adam come ask Eve say, we don dey outside though now, we no dey garden again, so how far, wetin we go do? Na so Eve tell am say, make we multiply now so that the work go less for us. Boom, na so Cain come out. E no waste time, Abel follow. So as dem take dey grow up, Cain come dey carry cutlass dey work, dey cut grass up and down, dey plant things. Na we dey call farmer today. Then Abel come say, no, since my brother don dey use cutlass, make me I do another thing. Na so Abel come begin dey rear animals, those kind sheep dem, the goat dem, the cow, na we dey call shepherd today. So one day come reach, they come say make dem give Baba God offering, sacrifice. Those days because na sacrifice dem dey use. Cain now come go bring some kind crop dem, some kind crop wey don almost kpai, like dem no get better life, no better thing fit come out from dem, carry come. Meanwhile, Abel come bring correct animals like this. He bring correct sheep, bring correct cow, take sama God like this. They place the sacrifice. So Baba God come look the two, he come accept Abel own with joy. But you see Cain own, he reject am because e no make sense at all. Na he come observe, Baba God come observe say Cain just dey murmur, dey jump up and down. Now he tell am say, oh boy, wey you behave yourself oh, if you do well, I no go accept your sacrifice. Your brother do well, I accept you. But you, because of this thing wey you do, sin dey your domot and e go dey follow you like MTN promo. Me and you know how MTN promo dey be. You dey see am say na promo, but nothing come out. Instead of that time, they dey even wound you pass. So na so Baba God come tell am, but Abel no still here. The thing still dey in mind, he still dey vex. Say why Baba God go collect him brother sacrifice, he go decline him own. The vex still dey Cain heart. So now, so one day he come call him brother Abel. Say, how far, bro? Come and move enter one corner like this. Move just go gist. The way life just dey go. I don't understand. Move just go, move just gist, move just pass time together. You understand? And so Abel say, no matter now, you know my senior bro now. Move enter where you want move touch. I can tell and give am the location. Don't know say Cain don't plan wetin he wan do on that day. So as they just switch the location, now so Cain come dey waka for Abel back. Before you know, Abel root out bottle, bust out for Abel head. Now there Abel kpai, just like that. This na brother wey kill brother. So you see how even the thing wey dey happen for the world today, na here e start o. Where you go see say brother dey kill brother, sister dey kill sister, brother dey kill sister, and the other way round. Na here e dey start. But first, before we continue, I go like ask one question. This thing wey Cain do him brother Abel so, e make sense? E good? Abeg drop your answer for the comment section. So after Cain don kpai him brother, he come dey go like say nothing happen. Now Baba God shout for am say, Cain, where you dey go? No be two of una follow waka come. Why e be say na only you dey go back now? Cain, where your brother dey? I say, Cain say, Baba God, I don't know now. Which kind of question you dey ask me like that? I be my brother keeper. And Baba God vex. Say like this, I don't vex for you for this thing wey you do. Because I just dey hear your brother blood dey cry up and down for my head. I no fit rest. Your brother blood just dey cry up and down. Even the ground, the soil dey cry for this thing wey you do. I say, Cain, for that reason, you see this ground no go give you food eat again. You go labor, but you no go see food chop. Anywhere you go be like vagabond. You go be like fugitive anywhere you go. people go dey find you to kill you. As Baba God still dey talk, Cain see say the matter don pass as e be. Now he begin dey beg Baba God, say, Baba God, this punishment too much. This punishment too much, Baba God, abeg have mercy on me. Now Baba God tell am say, no, na so e reach you. Now he say, because all these things wey you don talk, so Baba God, e mean say anywhere I go, they go just dey find me, dey kill me. Now Baba God tell am say, nobody go kill you, for anybody wey kill you don carry wahala put for him head. Baba God come say, for that matter, I go give you protection. And so Baba God summon am with ID card of protection, spiritual one, divine one. Na so Cain carry the ID card, dey waka up and down. He later born 2 children. One na Lamech, one na I don't forget the other one name, but one na Lamech. But that Lamech so na another warrior too wey sabi fight up and down. Na so him dey boast about am up and down. So na so Cain and Abel matter take reach o. But much after Cain don kill Abel, God still bless Adam and Eve with another pikin wey dem call Seth. Now as dem born Seth so, wey e come be say hope come dey again. People now come dey call on Baba God again. So my people, una see say the very first murder wey occur na as a result of jealousy and bad offering. If say Cain no offer bad offering to Baba God for accept him offering, and him for no get reason to jealous him brother. So jealousy and bad offering, run from am. No allow bad belle carry you go where you no know, and no allow bad belle make you do something where you go regret. So my people, now here we go end today's gist. But if this gist dey sweet you, abeg like, comment, watch our videos, and subscribe if you never subscribe. Follow us on all social media platforms. We dey there as Bible Gist Naija. Remember, this na Bible Gist Naija, and this na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you.